My shift forks are bad, so put that in the camera so you can see. See that groove? That's not supposed to be there. The pads are missing. This transmission was beat up pretty good. This shift fork is not as bad, but it has a witness mark there. So I went ahead and got both of them. Like I said before, these are from Tremec. No scars, new pads in them, even though I'm going to put the bronze ones in there. So to take it apart, I got to take this pin off and then pull the shaft out and put the new ones in. Keep in mind when you go to take the pin out, make sure that it is not straight up and down because it'll hit the bottom of the case and it won't come out, or actually the top of the case and it won't come out. So you got to move it about 45 degrees and then punch it out. Once you get the pin out, carefully, I'm going to try to do this with one hand, never done it before, first time for everything. Here's the first guy. It's a little tougher to get out, or I have to deburr this shaft so it goes in and out easier. And voila, it's out. Now let's put the new ones in. Got the shaft and the shift forks out, cleaned the cover, and tomorrow I'll put it together.